This is Klug. Klug is a wonderfully small and easy to install clip that gives your bike a hug and helps keep things tidy around your home. It's the same size and half the weight of a kiwi fruit. Its name sounds like a drain cleaner, but it isn't. And as you'll see from this demo, it's much easier to install than Windows 95. And it will turn virtually anywhere you can think of into somewhere your bike can live. We faced a problem here at Hurdler Studios every day. We'd come into work with our bikes, but we had no good place to store them when we got here. With problem in hand, we set out designing the details to get a shape that feels effortless to Klug your bike into place. We've gone through a pile of iterations, tested to the point of breaking, and kept designing until we got everything just right. Thank you.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Dan, engineer and founder here at Monkey Electric.
The Monkey Light Pro is the world's most advanced bicycle wheel display. You may have seen one of our prototypes at Maker Faire, SIGGRAPH, Dragon's Den, or at a museum. It's got 256 full-color LEDs and can be mounted onto any standard bike wheel. Molded out of solid rubber, the Monkey Light Pro is waterproof and durable. The graphics are stabilized from 10 to 40 miles per hour. While you ride, it makes a stunning, semi-transparent display that is visible from both sides. Use the web interface to organize your images and animations, then download them via Bluetooth wireless. Light up the road and share your message with the world.
Hi, we are GoE and this is the brand new bike motor on wheel. The GoE on wheel bike motor is easy to use, lightweight, powerful and makes an e-bike out of your favorite bike in less than 5 seconds. Using the on-wheel bike motor is unbelievably easy. Snap the battery into the holder, plug in the motor, switch on the power and you're ready to go. That's it. The GoE on-wheel bike motor can provide you additional power in any situation. It does not matter if you are cycling in a flat area or going to climb up a hill. The GoE on-wheel motor always gives you enough power to do that easily. The motor comes up automatically once you start pedaling. When you stop, it falls down and does not touch your wheel. You can use the motor with nearly every bike. It is suitable for everything you would do with a normal bike and can be used under all conditions. With the GoE bike app, you can easily control your e-bike and use cycling maps for navigation. You can set the speed and power limits in accordance to the local law. When you're back from your trip, just pull the motor from your bike. If it got dirty, don't worry, the motor is water resistant and you can clean it easily with your garden hose.
As urban cyclists, we wanted to deal with the biggest problems of biking in cities, namely navigation and security. There are a couple of accessories that try to solve these issues, but there hasn't been any complete solution. Introducing Smart Halo. Smart Halo isn't just another bike accessory. In fact, it's not meant to be removed after each ride. It installs permanently on your handlebar and pairs with your smartphone to turn your bike into a smart bike and provide a biking experience like no other.
Smart Halo's design philosophy has always been centered on simplicity. Biking in cities can be a challenge, so we've made sure our device was simple yet smart. How? By reducing its interface to its simplest possible form, a circle. This luminous halo allows us to communicate an impressive amount of information. Smart Halo finds the quickest, safest routes and bike paths for you to make your ride a stress-free experience. Just input the destination in our app, tuck your phone safely in your pocket, and let Smart Halo take care of the rest. Our unique circular interface allows us to show every type of turn the city can offer. Also, our light patterns warn you in advance of an incoming turn, so you get plenty of time to plan your next move. As soon as you start riding, Smart Halo tracks your bike metrics, your time, distance, average speed, the calories you've burned, as well as your total elevation. Unlike regular fitness apps, you don't need to press start or stop. It does it all seamlessly. You don't even need to take your phone out of your pocket. Smart Halo is also equipped with a smart nightlight. It turns on automatically when it's dark and shuts off on its own when you're done riding. With the personal assistant feature, Smart Halo will notify you of incoming calls or text messages right on your handlebar.
All of this intelligence wouldn't be possible without having Smart Halo living permanently on your handlebar. The design goal of Smart Halo was to build a simple and integrated interface that would fit any bicycle and under any condition. It's built to resist the worst that Mother Nature can throw at it, be it rain, dirt, or snow. Smart Halo was also built to resist your bike's worst enemy, bike thieves. Assembled with a unique tamper-proof system, Smart Halo can only be unlocked with a special key provided with the product. But we went further than this. Smart Halo is also an integrated alarm system. When activated, anyone trying to steal your sweet ride will hear the angry roar of Smart Halo.
Smart Halo has been designed to be beautiful inside and out. There is no on-off button on Smart Halo. Its sophisticated sensors detect your presence. It only turns on when you are riding. When you're done, it shuts down by itself. All this leads to amazing battery life to keep going as long as you do. Under normal usage, Smart Halo will last around 3 weeks.
Hello, I'm Andreas, the founder of this new startup. As an active surfer and mountain biker, I've always been fascinated by ideas which combine technology and design with sports. It's been the inspiration behind the companies I founded in the past. Our team worked for premium car brands, and we developed visionary strategies for connected cars. Whenever I look down at my handlebars, it seems that there's something wrong. A bike computer, my iPhone, the light and the fog switcher. It wasn't an integrated and connected experience. It wasn't beautiful.
So far, we haven't seen an interface that matches the needs of the modern cyclist. So we started from scratch, defining the perfect look and feel, celebrating the huge and colorful smartphone screens to match your lifestyle and your bike.
We set out to design a more elegant way to connect the workings of your bike with everything else which is important to the ride experience. And we called it Kobe.
Our product is about the next level in bike mobility. The idea of putting your phone in the perfect spot in your bike and connecting it to all the other components around it opens up so many possibilities. The dynamic lighting works all day and night. It increases your safety and it saves a lot of energy. The perfect lighting for each situation.
We don't just want to design another app. We want to create the world's smartest connected biking system.
E-bike support activated.
Your favorite music and friends. Kobe puts everything you love at your fingertips. It even automates the e-bike drive system for a much smoother ride. Other apps and manufacturers can take this into entirely new dimensions.
We already have working prototypes and most of the development is done. So we need your support to fund the production and set up the supply chain. We want to bring it to you in the second quarter of 2015. Let's do that together for Colby.
Hi, I'm Kingsley Figert.
And I'm Andrew Hagan. We're the founders of Cycling, a company focused on developing high-definition camera and lighting technology for cyclists.
Technology is great, isn't it? As cyclists, we have access to all kinds of high-powered lights and action cameras. The problem becomes when we try to fit them all on our bike. It becomes a little awkward.
And there's another challenge. When cyclists capture amazing videos, we think it should be easy to share the footage with their mates from anywhere.
Our solution to these problems is Fly 12. An integrated, high-powered safety light, an HD action camera built into a single compact device.
With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capability, it connects to your smartphone, making video sharing a snap. Let's take a closer look at Fly 12.
Fly 12 puts out a massive 400 lumens, which lights up the road in the dark and alerts motorists to your presence in the daylight. The light has a constant on mode or flashing mode at 3 different brightness settings.
Fly 12 captures full HD video in 1080p, recorded in MP4 format onto a removable micro SD card. Unlike most action cameras though, you never have to worry about the memory card on Fly 12 filling up. It records in a continuous loop, so you won't need to download any footage unless there's something you really want to save.
While Fly 12 is perfect for recording footage of an epic ride or race, it's not just an ordinary action camera. It's perfect for recording the action on all your rides. Just in case there's an incident with a motorist, a small running timestamp is overlaid on all footage so that the exact time and date of an incident is recorded. You never know what you'll capture on your Fly 12, and you shouldn't have to wait until you're back at the computer to share it. That's why we're building Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity into Fly 12. Just pair it with your smartphone at the coffee shop and start sharing.
Once connected to your smartphone and companion app, you can access all the footage on your Fly 12. Simply select the footage you want, save it to your camera roll and share it with the world. The Fly 12 app can synchronize the video footage with Strava data that's already on your phone, allowing overlays of ride statistics such as speed, power and heart rate.
You can even add virtual tram lines to the video to show if drivers are observing 3 feet safety laws. The companion app also makes it easy to configure Fly 12 using the friendly touch interface of your phone.
Fly 12 packs a whopping 5200 mAh, providing up to 10 hours use in camera-only mode, 3 times longer than other top action camera brands.
As you can see, we've brought together innovative cycling technologies into a single, compact, connected device without compromise.
Last year, you helped us deliver Fly 6, an integrated HD camera and tail light.
As promised, we delivered on time to nearly 2,000 backers around the world.
You've now asked us for a front-facing device.
Help us to deliver Fly 12 to you.
Thanks.
Nothing compares to the simple pleasure of a bike ride. But as transportation grows more complex with increasingly congested roads, it's time for a smarter, safer approach to urban commuting, so that the simple pleasure of riding a bike gets even better. Introducing Valor, the world's first connected bike for the urban commuter. It all begins with the intuitive app, designed to keep your biking experience with you at all times. Enter your destination and let Valor determine the smartest path for your ride. With safety at the forefront, Valor's turn-by-turn navigation keeps your eyes on the road and your hands on the bar. So whether you're looking to explore new neighborhoods or find the best route to work, Valor will ensure that you're on the right path. But even with the safest route, a busy street can impact your biking experience. So Valor offers blind spot detection to keep you aware of nearby vehicles while you ride. Your handlebars will vibrate if you start to turn into traffic to help keep you safe on the road. Valor is always tracking your ride, and with its beautiful app dashboard, your bike's metrics can be easily accessed at any time. Speed, distance, calories, and time are instantly shared with your smartphone and wearable technology like Pebble. And whether you take your device with you on the ride or leave it at home, Valor tracks these metrics and syncs when you return. Your bike will also link with others in the area to form a connected network of commuters. And the more you ride, the more the network learns about your neighborhood to offer smarter options for your commute. Valor will gather important information like potholes, closed roads, and blocked lanes to share with the community. Simply put, more riders means smarter, safer routes. And in case your bike goes missing, the Valor network is on the lookout. Once you set the lost notification, if another Valor rider passes by your bike, you will immediately be notified of its location. Valor's carbon fiber body is engineered for performance and design. Each feature has been carefully considered to offer the best riding experience. And with an open API, we're excited to see how new riders help us transform the urban commute. So check out Valor to see how the simple pleasure of a bike ride can also be the smartest, safest way to travel. Valor, the bike of the future.